Run things international, the dance sound, yeah, with Father Lonesome, Mama Angie, Lonesome Jr., Swain Lonesome, East Kingston, yeah. This is Ernie Smith. Son boy, you're up against the wrong thing right now. You're agony dead. Run things international forward. Pan the dancehall scene, with him box full of dub plate, we wipe out the sound boy clean. Everything was splendid, the massive getting in the groove. When a sound boy drop a fake dub and run things so don't move. Dub bus fighting Duppy with a bad sound, those drum and sound start fret. Them selector was so frightened, all them sound name them forget. The bus frightened Duppy with a bad sound, run things prevailing at the end. Usain Bolt was a boy to those guys. Him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow them. One thing we learned for certain, make the whole world know. If you run up against run things, you're going to get overthrown. Well, we know say out they will bitter, we know say out they will dread. But if you run against run things, you must see really want to be dead. The bus frightened Duppy with a bad sound, those drum band sounds start fret. Them selector was so frightened, all them sound name them forget. The bus frightened Duppy with a bad sound, run things prevailing at the end. Usain Bolt was a boy to those guys. Him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow, him couldn't follow them. Yeah, run things international, dance song. Father Lonesome, Mama Angie, Lonesome Jr., Swain Lonesome, East Kingston. This is Ernie Smith.